Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Mercury. Which ancient script used wedge-shaped marks? Cuneiform. Which scientist is famous for discovering penicillin? Alexander Fleming. Which is the smallest country in the world by land area? Vatican City. Which element is essential for healthy bones and teeth? Calcium. Which Greek philosopher taught Plato? Socrates. In which country is Mount Kilimanjaro located? Tanzania. Which ancient empire built the Great Wall of China? Han Dynasty. Which male artist holds the record for the most Grammy wins? Georg Solti. Where were the first modern Olympic Games held in 1896? Athens. Who developed the three laws of motion? Isaac Newton. What is the name of our home galaxy? The Milky Way. Which river was central to the ancient Egyptian civilization? The Nile. Which scientist is known as the father of modern genetics? Gregor Mendel. Who directed the popular film Pulp Fiction? Quentin Tarantino. Which instrument typically has 88 keys? Piano. Which element is commonly used in nuclear reactors for power generation? Uranium. Which large marine mammal is known for its complex songs? Humpback whale. In what year did the Titanic sink? (1912). What is the fastest land animal? Cheetah. Who painted the famous artwork Starry Night? Vincent van Gogh. What do blue whales primarily eat? Krill. Which vaccine protects against polio? Salk vaccine. Who formulated the principle of buoyancy? Archimedes. Who wrote the novel To Kill a Mockingbird? Harper Lee. Which language is the most spoken native language in the world? Mandarin Chinese. Which famous musician is known as the King of Pop? Michael Jackson. The city of Rome was founded on the banks of which river? Tiber. Which country uses the currency yen? Japan. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter. In geometry, what is a four-sided shape called? Quadrilateral. Who invented the light bulb? Thomas Edison. Which psychologist is famous for his work on classical conditioning? Ivan Pavlov. Which common gas makes up most of Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. What is the largest rainforest in the world? The Amazon. What is the study of ancient life forms through fossils called? Paleontology. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. Which bird is known for its ability to mimic human speech? African gray parrot. What is the main metal used to make brass? Copper. Which type of radiation is used to cook food in a microwave oven? Microwaves. What part of the cell is often called the powerhouse? Mitochondria. What is the chemical symbol for water? H2O. Which ancient wonder was a lighthouse near Alexandria, Egypt? The Lighthouse of Alexandria. Which civilization invented the concept of zero? India.
The Battle of Waterloo marked the final defeat of which famous leader? Napoleon Bonaparte. Which city is famous for its Leaning Tower? Pisa. What is the capital city of Australia? Canberra. Which country is both a continent and a country? Australia. Which Roman emperor made Christianity the state religion? Theodosius I. Which major war was fought between 1914 and 1918? World War I. Which iconic structure was built in Paris for the 1889 World's Fair? Eiffel Tower. How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Keep your brain active and check out our next quiz video right now.